Welcome to our life as part of the SENU
CT program. Okay, so room tour. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful room. It's so big for us two, right? From Naga to Manila to Singapore to Surabaya, and to Surabaya to Malang.
Look at the room. Like, feels like.
Can you open this? Can you open this door?
Yeah.
Please open this door.
We will show you the balcony. Welcome to our balcony for 28 days. So this is.
Wow, that's beautiful.
That song in the Philippines. It's raining in Manila now.
It's raining in Malang. Malang, Indonesia.
After our meeting with the dean and the other
members of the faculty. Here's your food. Look at that. Lunch. Perfect. We have mangoes, crackers, rice.
So we just finished our lunch. And masarap ang food.
Kila will introduce us to
Her Tampan friends, Enchantic friends, for Eileen Daco.
May chance, remember na kami. Meeting They're so pretty.
Media for teaching and learning. So in here we make this kind of stuff in 4th grade. First semester. 5th semester. We can copy some of this. Please, you may. We will use this. Make us. It's like a gamification. Game for teaching and learning. Oh, that's nice.
International
number one.
Number
182.
We'll have our
176.
Hi Akila, thanks for coming with us. DIY.
Sa DIY pa rin uuwi.
Look at the price.
56,000.
Wakaton. Hi mga guys, saan kayo pupunta? Rotonda lang. Di ba, Ning? Ang Rotonda may nasa Indonesia. Mawawala ba kami? Hindi. So, in our school, naman isip, ano? Hindi dito to?
Turn left, then turn left.
Oh, gayon. Hilingan ng motor, Mads. Sagana.
Could we get back to where we started?
Wow, hi!
Library in our main building or FEBA.
This is so cute. Okay, kakatapos lang. Finished discussing our lesson plan with Doc Frida. Currently finding lunch place. She translated everything for us because it was in Indonesian. Anyways, may papahiling kami. Exploring the outside of the university. Look at this. Wow.
Nag-give up na kaming flight.
Give up na ba? Sasakay na ba? Or mag-walk pa?
Look at your face!
Sakto na lang. Sakay lang
part 2.
Part of walking. Kasi
walang walking path dun sa kabila. So, lumipat kaming lane.
So we are now going to
Beaches! Kung mahanap ni... Okay, see you there. We arrived at the Transmart. Hindi namin in-expect na mall pa lang pupuntahan. Anyway, this is Transmart. Okay, so saan kami kakain? Beaches. See you there.
People in therapy are often there to deal with people in their lives who won't go to therapy. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling, though my hairline is thinning. I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. Some days I wish.
Nahulog ang book pero Desmond. Sis, yung bulong. Umayos ka. Tabangan mong sa diri mo.
I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling.
It's okay, you will be fine.
Cute.
And it's all thanks to you.
Okay, so we're lost again.
as usual.
As usual.
As usual. Grabe ka man. So Rhea, we miss you. We hope na kumain ka na dyan.
Kasi hindi pa kami kumakain.
Nawawala na lang kami.
There are wounds left to wear. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. I'm feeling.
So, pag nag-teach ka dyan, monitor dito. So, binibideo siya. Oh, amazing. So, matapos ko mag-teach, recorded lang ang lecture. Nice. Amazing.
Okay, guys. Anong sasabihin ko ba?
Anong mo? I-enganyo mo sila na mag-teach.
So, you should join Cteach since this It's a great opportunity for you guys to be engaged in other what do you call that? Like school environment or learning environment. And marami, third day pa lang namin, so marami na kaming
Danas.
At also na-aaralan din, like lesson planning, dito more on gamification. More on activities, and pag nagla-lesson sila, ang approach nila sa kahit mga high school na is parang more on beginner pa lang. You should try this because it's enjoyable and fun.
Yes. Okay, for me, I will encourage you to join the CTeach because unang-una, ngayon sa resume. And makaka-experience ka ng new culture, ma-expose ka sa different languages, also,
This seems like an international stage like Miss Universe. An international school. Tapos parang lang, nasa movie lang tayo, diba? Yung mga teenage movie ng mga international school.
True.
Kaya yan.
Kaya maski wala kami ditong car or motor, walking lang ang labanan, feel na feel niya ang pagiging university student in an international school.
Yes.
So here we go again.
Wala naman si Rhea sa GC. Ating kitagamo. Rhea, ano ba? Wala laon. Kita pare-pareho. Okay, walking.
So, where are we going? It depends. I won't.
Naghanap na naman kami ng makakain.
Makakainan.
Mataram na daw ko.
Ay, you please. Mataram na ko, please. Sa first video, tadi ako nagtataram.
Anyways, ako man na-notice nyo, si Rhea lang naka-green. Mart. Hi!
We found this, anong dito?
Wow.
Restaurant?
Wow.
Called Wow. So, let's try this.
Burger siya.
Makaka-beef na kami.
Fish and chips. Ang coffee siya.
Ayun, may chicken wings.
Yung chicken wings with rice 30K.
Okay, hindi na namin na videoan yung full food.
Teriyaki. Beef teriyaki.
Beef teriyaki.
Shrimp, salted egg.
I got black pepper chicken. And she got a full meal.
Ayam.
Chicken. With bakso. Eat well, guys. Pag-lost dyan, yaon na.
Hi, so, as usual, nawawala na. Nawawala na naman kami.
Wala nang bago.
So, we bought some snacks.
Yeah.
Kita niyo, anong binili niyo?
Hotdog and fries.
Ay, hindi kita nag-agi.
Ay, di kita nag-agi. So, madali na
Ay, madali yun. Tignan kita.
Oh my God!
We discovered another route.
Okay.
On Saturday, we were pink and green.
Yeah. Hey, Chandig kita. I may free delivery, sis.
Mga Pinoy. Alam nyo to. I know you're familiar with this food. Fat boys.
Yun o. Gusto mo. Ay, picture lang tayo.
C-bar meeting.
So second and third, Likert scale. Okay, so first, focus group discussion. Tapos second, Likert scale, an interview.
Ano ba? Nasa Gojek ang
On
Grab.
the way to
Grab siya ng Indo. And we're on the way to one of the biggest malls in Indo. Olympic Garden. So Olympics talaga siya ba? Baka baka may nagka-tumbling duman. Anyway, so ayan siya, nasa inyo na naman siya. In-game na naman.
Mataram na naman yan, mahabot na naman.
And Monica Rhea.
Gusto mo maging ano din naka-extrovert din ako.
Four tires cut into the clay. It drives.
Video, pero hey!
Ang mga above nakakurupo. Dahil nawawala na naman kami at naghahanap ng cases yan. Ooh, meron silang ano yan? What's that?
Ito, sa taas! May pepper lunch! Beef yan!
Okay, dyan tayo. Magbibis na tayo.
Dyan tayo. Okay, so maghahanap kami lunch place. Sana hindi chicken. Please. Maghahanap kami.
Uy, mga
Still in the guys. Pastil. Ladus. Uy, hamut! 20 chicks. Bakso goreng. Guys, may Wingstop Sinda. Wingstop. Okay, so naghahanap ulit kami. Guys, may pepper lunch din dito.
sobrang mahal.
Na sobrang mahal.
Sobrang mahal.
Shocking. Although, mahal man siya sa leg. So, on the way kaming Yoshinoya. Sana mura na. Pero ang dami ditong food. Unique food. Barbiecore. Unique nyo.
ID for ID.
Di ba kalun mo?
Should I?
Bakalun mo.
Mama, papa, ano ba?
Ano yung pink keychain?
And also this. Oh my God!
I look for the things I don't know. For all in this, I stand alone.
Contemplating.
Show me where the ending.
Medyo malabo ang video. Sorry na.
I decided. Wag na lang.
So guys,
Pang-outfit sa Singapore.
wow. Magagamit ko yun sa Pinas for sure. They are contemplating kung ano yung bibilhin.
Or wag na lang. This wala naman talagang pera.
Nagko-convert na po sila. Nagko-convert na po sila.
Ang 179, mahal ba yan?
Sabihin nyo na cute, guys. Please. Saruman, saruman. Ay.
Sunod ay ko mapahiling ng mga pink.
Yan, yan. Yan ang gusto ko. Nagagastos na. Diba, Hanabi?
Maugma ako sa ko. Dahil ako nagsisisi. 8:13 siya sa Bukay.
Yes. May dalawa na pong nag-major gastos.
Ano pay?
159.
159.
Mas mura. Di ba sa
159. So, nasa
500.
500 pesos. Nasa 500. Ay, nasa ano sa akin? Nasa 300 pa lang yung gastos. So, okay.
Kapag gasusin mo siya, chat.
Abangan po, baka mag 1 million si Monica. Okay, nasa Batik store kami.
Yeah. This is the kind of print sa batik.
Be the last to know we're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last.
Okay, Rhea's point of view naman, para may point of view ka sa vlog.
Ano sis?
Magtarong ka na, sis!
Are you excited to try?
Oh, yes. Yes! Okay na, may ambag na siya.
Okay, so nasa Wingstop kami.
Waiting for our order. And sabihin niyo kung ano ang in-order niyo.
Nasa Wingstop kami.
Look ang bill.
170.
Pero mura pa rin naman siya. I-convert siya sa Philippine peso.
Okay lang, mag-gastos mo lang kung hindi 80, 70 or what. Matry ko lang ang Wingstop. And sulit na siya because
Group siya, group. Look nyo. May 6 na kaming boneless, 3 lemon pepper, 3 Louisiana rub, 3 hickory, 3 teriyaki, tapos may crunchy wings pa.
crunchy wings pa. So,
May price yan.
Tapos onion ring.
onion rings.
Tapos mushroom fritters.
Oh, yes.
So, we'll update you pag maano na kami.
Mukbang kami. Here.
Hi, Rhea.
din
So,
pala
sino kaya? Nabilan mo ng pasalubong.
Sarap pala. Sa Jesusa. Pero gusto ng pasta.
Sana all you deserve mo yan.
Deserve ko the, deserve.
Perfect.
Shout out to Jesusa. Sa mga secret muna ako, Isay. Sa mga makakakuha kang pasalubong ni Eileen, sabi niya that they need to deserve.
Hindi magustuhan mo ni Te.
Oh, diba? For the shout out ko sa
For the shoutout kay Jesusa. Naabuton sa Coterme.
Miss you, Latina Queen.
our Latina girl. Hey, dinner! Finally! And we're having Wingstop! Sponsor! Look! Hey, wala kaming plate. Balat. Okay, so story time. May kumatok sa door namin.
Sila, like,
In
mga
Egyptian?
ano din sila, students from this university.
and staying at same dorm. And nagkatok sila sa door. And they gave and nag-aasin na ng
If we have plate, and we said, no, plate.
Yung pala?
Bibigyan nila kami ng
fruit salad.